Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today's topic is SPF creams. We are going to tell you about 10 best SPF creams in India. Before that, I would let you know about what is SPF cream, how to choose SPF cream for your babies, why is it required, what are the dangerous chemicals you need to be careful about, and then the best creams. Before this, please go and watch out our summer care video where we have showed all the details about how to take care of your summer, which is a season which is prone to a lot of diseases, infections, and you need to take extra care of your baby or kid. Additionally, this can be helpful, so let's dive right in and see this video. What are SPF creams? It is sun protection cream. As an abbreviation, it is a way to protect the skin from harmful radiations of the sun. A thin layer of this cream, this SPF cream or lotion, which is to be applied to the exposed skin, can protect from harmful UV rays. Why is SPF cream required for kids? It used to be a perception that only older people or sports person used to apply it, use this, but now you can see kids are exposed a lot, especially in holidays, to the harmful UV rays of the sun, and this is not doing any great for them. It can bring in rashes or allergies, so even kids or babies need this SPF cream. What are the things you need to be careful about an SPF cream? So babies under 6 months have a very delicate skin, so it's not suggested for them. Even it can give allergy or rash to them, so be careful. Also, baby above 6 months who have a tendency of licking their hands, you must avoid it for them, because anything getting into their stomach isn't great, right? So avoid it for babies who lick their hand. And sunscreen, when applied, doesn't mean that it gives complete protection from heat. You will also have to use cotton clothes, hats, goggles when babies kids get into pool. And before even buying it, do a patch test on the skin of your baby or kid. What are the things to be looked into in SPF cream for kids? So it must be more than SPF 30 for Indian weather. Check on the date of manufacture. Don't buy something which is about to expire, even if there is 1 or 2 months. Always choose a cream or lotion over sprays. What should not be there in SPF cream? The detailed list is on our blog. I would like to mention quickly here that titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, PABA, benzophenones, these are dangerous chemicals. For elder ones like us, it's fine, but for kids and babies, it's not great, so ensure it's not there. A good sunscreen will be of 15 SPF or higher, and it will have a broad spectrum, which means that it will give protection with both UVA and UVB rays. And now moving on to the best SPF creams in India. These are 8 selected ones. I'll give the link in the description box if you wish to buy them. Starting with number 1, Himalaya Herbal Protective Sunscreen Lotion. Don't go by its cost, it just costs you 110 rupees, but it's a great herbal product. It contains aloe vera, spiked gingerly oil, which is really good for babies. Next one is Mamaearth mineral based sunscreen. This costs about 290 for 100 ml. It includes calendula extracts, shea and coconut butter to deeply nourish baby skin, and it is dermatologically tested as well. Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Kit Sunblock Cream, which is of SPF 25. This costs about 335 rupees for 100 gram. It includes chamomile extract. It is anti-inflammatory and has soothing properties. Chiku Sunscreen SPF 50 plus. So this costs about 749 for 750 ml. This is specially formulated for delicate baby skin. It nourishes skin, protecting it from rays of sunlight. It has a broad spectrum, so both UVA and UVB. It is water resistant as well, and there is no fragrance. So babies who don't like a new fragrance, it is safe for them. banana boat water resistant tear free SPF 50 plus. So it costs about $8.99 for 90 ml. This product is water resistant and even sweat resistant. So suitable for kids who are very active in sports, great for water activities. Aveeno Baby Natural Protection with SPF 50. This costs about $2,750 and available on discount. You can check the link below. This is a sunscreen stick with skin soothing natural or gentle formula for sensitive skin, whichever baby has. Water resistant. This is with broad spectrum again. Pediatrician recommended as well. Neutrogena sunscreen wet skin for kids. So this costs about $6.95 for 13 gram. Can be mostly used in swimming pool, beaches to avoid suntan because of the vast effect it has. It has SPF 70. So whenever you are around beaches, this would be recommended. Sebum Sun Care Lotion. So this costs about $1,299, 150 ml. It has SPF 50. This is in white color and in liquid form. Safeguards against sun-induced damage, aging, shields against sunburn. So all the regular properties.
These are some recommendations from our end. If you insist on something
your choice,
that you have tried and is the best for your baby, do comment and let us know and let the tribe know about it. And let's help each other in this motherhood journey. And there are lots of baby food recipes, kids food recipes on our channel. We talk about a lot of parenting issues, concerns, and we give a lot of tips relatively as well. So if you are a mother or a parent and you look forward to such videos, do subscribe to our channel. We are really promising to give you good content. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Bye bye.